Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to route payments to cut processing fees in checkout.com. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are using like checkout.com or stuff like this, to route your payment and cut processing fees with checkout.com, you can encourage the customers to use lower fee payment methods like a bank transfer or a debit card by offering them incentives such as discounts. So additionally, you can also implement a strategy to pass fees to customers in compliance with local laws, though you must be careful to follow all the rules, including using appropriate surcharges and fees. So you can simply incentivize your lower fee methods, prioritize debit cards, and negotiate rates with your processors and offer alternative payment methods as well. So these strategies can effectively lower your payment processing fees and increase your profit margin in checkout.com. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.